doors, they're burnt down. Stuff's burnt down to the ground, completely melted. Look, that once was a motel, I think. This used to be a car shop. This once was a building that they were trying to build. Not no longer. Wow, man. You gotta thank our firefighters out here, man. Really putting in the work. Really putting in the effort to keep these guys alive. Hey, thank you for your services, boss. Have a blessed day. God bless you. Look, burned to the ground. Someone's motorcycle almost burned to the ground. Lost the whole back end to the Harley. Thank you for your service, Pop.